Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, in this video I am going to start exercise 2.6 from the book of ML Agarwal. So here the first problem. Here in the first problem, here within closed interval 2x minus 3 and that equal to 5. You have to solve this equation and you have to find out the value of x. Clear? So as you know, if k belongs to I, then here within closed interval x that equal to, if this one equal to k, then you can write k less than equal to x less than k plus 1. Okay, remember that if k belongs to I, that means integer, then here the closed interval x equal to k, then from that you can write k less than equal to x less than k plus 1. So as here within closed interval you have 2x minus 3 that equal to 5. So you can also write here 5 less than equal to 2x minus 3 less than, as k plus 1, that means 5 plus 1, so it's become 6. I hope it's clear. Okay, now next, as here 3 minus, so it will be, if you add 3 in each and every one, so it will be now 2x only, because minus 3 plus 3 it becomes 0, and here 6 plus 3. Okay, so now it's 8 less than 2x less than, it's only less than, not equal to, less than 9. Okay, now divided by 2 you will get 4 less than equal to x less than 9 by 2. Okay, so that means now you have to write down the solution set. So here the solution set is as here equal to, that means within closed interval 4 comma 9 by 2, as here only less than, so give here a open bracket. Now the next one, number 2. In number 2 you have to also write down here minus 2 and then less than equal to 2x plus 1, then here less than minus 2 plus 1, it becomes only minus 1. So now here minus 2 then minus 1 less than equal to 2x less than equal to minus 2, only less than. Okay, so it's minus 3 less than equal to 2x less than minus 2. Then finally here minus 3 by 2 less than equal to x less than here minus 1. So the solution set, okay, so the solution set is as here less than equal to, that means minus 3 by 2 comma then minus 1 within open bracket. Now the third one, 2 minus 3x in closed interval that equal to 5, so it will be 5 less than equal to 2 minus 3x less than 6. Next 5 minus 2, here less than equal to minus 3x less than 6 minus 2, so it will be 3 less than equal to minus 3x less than 4. Now you have to divide it by minus 3, so it becomes minus 1 and less than equal to change into greater than equal to, here x greater than minus 4 by 3. So now minus 4 by 3 less than x less than equal to minus 1, so it will be now in open bracket and here minus 1 in closed interval. Now sum number 2, if fx equal to log 1 plus x by 1 minus x, then show that fx plus fy that equal to fx plus y by 1 plus xy. So that means here in left hand side, you have fx plus fy. So fx means this one, log 1 plus x by log 1 minus x, and plus fy means log 1 plus y by 1 minus y. Now you know the formula, log a plus log b, that is log ab. Okay, so now you can write here log and then here 1 plus x by 1 minus x into 1 plus y by 1 minus y. Okay, so now log, the lower one will be, if you multiply this one, it will be 1 minus x minus y plus xy, and the upper one 1 plus x plus y plus xy. Now the right hand side, RHS, and you have f x plus y 1 plus xy. That means instead of x here, instead of x you have to write down the whole thing. So it will be now log, then 1 plus, you can write down x plus y 1 plus xy, 1 minus x plus y 1 minus xy. Okay, so now it will be log, here the denominator will be 1 plus xy, then the upper one 1 plus xy plus x plus y, 1 minus xy minus x minus y, okay, divided by 1 plus xy, sorry this one xy plus, okay. So now it will be also log, here this one cancel out, so the upper one will be 1 plus xy plus x plus y, and the lower one 1 plus xy minus x minus y. That means here the left hand side equal to right hand side, so it's proved. Now the third one, here fx equal to 9 to the power x by 9 to the power x plus 3, and you have to show that fx plus f1 minus x that equal to 1. So first you have to find out f1 minus x. So instead of x you can write down 1 minus x, here also 1 minus x as power, here plus 3. Okay, now 1 minus x means 9 to the power 1 and 9 to the power minus x. Okay, and here also 9 to the power 1, 9 to the power minus x plus 3. Now here 9 to the power minus x means 1 by 9 to the power x. Here also as 1 by 9 to the power minus x, here also 9, so 9 by 9 to the power x plus 3. Clear? So now if the LCM will be here 9 by 9 to the power x, and here 9 plus 3 into 9 to the power x by 9 to the power x, then 9 to the power x will be cancel out. Okay, so the upper one will be only 9, and here 9 plus 3 dot 9 to the power x. So if 3 will be common, it becomes 3 plus 9 to the power x. So here 3 cancel out with 9, it becomes 3. So here final will be 3 by 3 plus 9 to the power x. That means the value of f1 minus x equal to this one. So you have to write down fx plus f1 minus x as the left hand side, and you have to show that this equal to 1. So fx means 9 to the power x, then 9 to the power x plus 3, and f1 minus x is 3, and here 3 plus 9 to the power x. That means in both case the denominator will be same, so it will be write down 9 to the power x plus 3, and in the upper one also the same one, so it will be 1, and it's proved. Now sum number 4. So in sum number 4 there are only 2 problems, and this is the last sum for this video and as well as 2.6 exercise. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel if you are new viewer. And for the other chapter, please check the description box, the link will be there. Okay, so here you have to find out the domain of the following function. Okay, so that means first let this one equal to fx. Let this one equal to fx. Okay, now fx must be a real number. Okay, then this one log 4x minus 3 also be a real number. As you have to find out the domain, then fx must be a real and this one also a real number. So if this one equal to real number, then definitely you can write 4x minus 3 greater than 0. 4x minus 3 are greater than 0, and from that x equal to x greater than 3 by 4. Okay, x greater than 3 by 4. That means the domain of this function will be 3 by 4 to infinity. Okay, the domain of the function equal to 3 by 4 comma infinity. Now for 2. So here the given function is 1 by log n minus x square. So for domain, you have to find out the domain here. So for domain here, fx must be a real number, and definitely this one, log 9 minus x square, must be a real number. That means 1 by this one. So you have to write down first 1 by log 9 minus x square must be a real number. Clear? So if this one is a real number, then definitely 9 minus x square greater than 0. Remember, 9 minus x square greater than 0, and also 9 minus x square not equal to 1, because you know log 1 equal to 0. As this one is a real number, so there are two conditions. First one, 9 minus x square greater than 0, and second one, 9 minus x square not equal to 1. So from that here minus x square, okay, here minus x square, that equal to if you find x square, so it will be now x square less than 1. You can write down directly as 9 minus x square greater than 0, then definitely x square less than 9. So from that, x less than root 9, x less than root 9. Okay, so it will be now as you have mod x less than 3, mod x less than 3. And the next one here, and here 9, here minus x square not equal to minus 8, that means x square not equal to 8. Okay, so x not equal to root 8. Root 8 means plus minus 2 root 2. Root 8 means plus minus 2 root 2. Okay, so that means here mod x less than 3, so it means minus 3 less x less 3, and here x not equal to plus minus 2 root 2. So that means the domain of this function will be minus 3 to 3, then minus here plus minus 2 root 2, because x not equal to this one. So this is your final answer.